log into your ArayMusic account, then click on Profile and go to the Settings page, then click on Withdrawal Settings. Here you have to enter your Payeer account number, starting with P. After that, enter the PIN and click on Save. Then you can click on Finance and go to Withdrawal. Here you have to select the Payeer, then enter the amount and click on Withdraw. Enter your PIN and click on Confirm. Congratulations! Your payout request has been submitted successfully. Also, the minimum withdrawal is $20, and withdrawals are processed every Tuesday and Friday. Once you submit the payout request, it takes a few minutes, and then you can see the amount in your Payeer wallet.